guys, as soon as I came here, then I'm playing with my dog, Kenzie. Kenzie, come here. Hey, girl, come on, come here. Hey, go, go, come on, go. Go. Come on, kids. Go, go, that way, go that way. Oh my God. Kind of blends in with snow. Guys, this is gonna be really short. Fingers are burning up. Not burning, but freezing up. Oh my gosh. It's okay, kids. Like a dog's telling you something. How's the dog dying? Oh no. Okay. I went. I touched it. Touched that one over there. I touched this one right here. Oh my God. My time limit at the moment is 3 minutes and 11 seconds. So like I said, it's probably gonna be off like, so like 2 minutes. Oh my God. Whoop a wub. I want people to see me walking around in a smart mask and gloves like this, and like a hoodie that's like all camouflage. That'd be weird. Okay. Oh, guys. Do I'm this episode here. Hey, Kens. Can you say bye-bye, Kens? No, say bye-bye. Kens, go bye-bye. Hey, guys. See you guys next time. Kens, look at me. Hey, look. Kens, come here. Guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.